Okay, today's video is all about an app and it's called AppStation. So I'm going to do a quick review of the AppStation app. It's probably the quickest way you can get money out of any single app that I've actually used so far online. So stay tuned for this, and it literally will take you a couple of minutes to get your first payout. So let's head over, and I'm going to go straight onto the desktop. Then I'm going to go onto my phone and show you the app in more detail. Okay, before we head over to the app on my phone, let's just have a quick look at the Google Play website. And as you can see here, the AppStation is the #1 cash app with gifts and games. And it's actually had over 164,000 reviews. That's absolutely phenomenal amount. And if we scroll down, basically looking at a score of 4.4, which is absolutely brilliant, really, considering there's that amount of reviews. And that means that obviously they've had an awful lot of downloads in the actual app. Over 5 million plus downloads. The content rating says it's teen and upwards, and also simulated gambling and that sort of thing is on the actual app, or could be on the app. So bear that in mind when you're actually using it. Okay, and remember guys, if you're looking to earn a substantial amount of money online, remember most of these apps are not only pay a few pence and a few dollars and that for doing the tasks. Then obviously if you want something that's going to give you a bit more money, then maybe you should check out my #1 recommendation that I am using to earn bigger money online, and you can check that out in the link in the description below. So with that said, let's head over and we'll go and have a look at the AppStation. And what I'm also going to do, I'm actually going to show you how easy it is to actually withdraw as well. So stay tuned for that. Okay, so we're heading over to the App Store here, to the AppStation app. And as you can see, we've come onto my account, and on the first page, you will see here some games that you can actually play and collect. So this basically means that you can actually turn around and just play these games and earn coins, and then obviously you can then get those coins out and exchange those for gift cards and for PayPal cash. Now, before you start, if you're looking to do this, I'll put a link in the description where you can go and download AppStation, and also you'll get a massive bonus, guys. You'll actually get 3,599 coins just for downloading and getting active the actual app itself. So as you can see, straight away you've got a massive amount of coins there, which is why I'm saying it takes very little amount of time to actually go and withdraw your first payment. Okay, so as you can see, we have a slight technical issue the first time round when I recorded this video. Only some of it came out. So as you can see in the top, we've actually down to 648 coins now, because obviously I went through and processed a payment out. But I'm going to go through it again and just show you how it can be done, just to prove that it can be done. So what we've got to do is from there, from this, once you've downloaded the app and then you've downloaded your games, you can then literally go and play the game, and then you'll come across, you'll then have enough to withdraw. So if we go across to payouts down the bottom here, and this is where your payouts will be. Now, this would have been lit up. So we would have been lit up to 7,918 coins. This PayPal would have been lit up here. And all I literally did was just click on it. And then it will just say, do you want to process it? And you just click yes. And then it says it is in progress then. So it will take about 7 days to come into my account. So if we go to my wallet, and then click on the minus, as you can see here, we've got the sum here, 7,918 coins, and that's 58 pence. And as you can see, it says in progress. So that is confirms of what I did just a few minutes ago in the process there. Now, another way that you can actually earn from the app is by inviting friends. So if you go on invite friends, And as you can see here, additionally, you will receive 25% of all the coins your friend earns. Okay, and then your friend will receive 25% of the coins you earn. Okay, so that's how it works. So if you can invite friends, you can obviously share via Facebook, and you can click on the invite button right there. Literally just click on that, and then you can invite people to wherever. You can go into Facebook, you can go into wherever, WhatsApp, Messenger, Gmail, do whatever you like. Now once that happens, then so if you carry on playing the games and earning the coins, then everybody's going to be able to earn more money. I'll leave a link in the description below here where you can go and join and get your massive bonus, guys. Your 3,599 coins bonus just for downloading the app and joining. And then all you need to do is literally download one of the apps. This is the app that I've downloaded, Pet Master, and then it will literally say you can earn X amount of coins in X amount of minutes. And literally, I just played it for like 2 minutes, and then I had enough to withdraw and get that initial payment out. So that's how fast and quick and easy it is. And of course, obviously totally legit as well, which is what we're looking to obviously get here with these apps. Okay guys, so I was just about to edit this video. I actually got a notification to say that I'd been paid by the AppStation. So I'm going back into the site now just to double check that. And if we go to up to the top here, go to my wallet, go to minus, and as you can see, it's paid out. Okay, so before it was being processed, and now it has been paid out. Let's just head over to my PayPal quickly. Okay, and I'm just going to log in. It needs to send me a message so I can get in my one-time code. It just proves I'm actually using my actual own PayPal account. Okay, so we're heading in. Okay, so we're inside, so let's just check that. So as you can see here, I've got a payment from Just Dice, 0.70 euros. Okay, and that was completed at 05:30 this morning. So that would tie in with what I've just said. Obviously, overnight I had an actual notification to say that it had gone into my account. Okay, so there we go. That's how quick and easy you can get paid with the AppStation. So obviously, like I say, make sure you get it now. Go and download it. Go and start playing the games, and then you can start earning some cash. Okay, I trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, obviously make sure that you smash up the like button for us, and also make sure you share this video so others can benefit from it as well. Don't forget to watch this video next, and also if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and then you will get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today's video. Make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.